Hi guys, I got FIFA 13 earlier and I thought I'd start off my FIFA 13 impacting this game by doing a pack opening on Ultimate Team. So what I did is I got the 799 1050 FIFA points, so I'm just going to buy some packs now. Let's see what we get in our first pack. Why is it taking so long? Oh, find a real player. Oh, pretty bad. Oh, pack. Oh, he's gonna get dribbling. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the contracts. Just doing that. Keep these two. Okay, if you're on everything now. What one should I take? I'll take QPR badge. What is the card? So, pack 1 of 7, I think. Yep. Pack 1 of 7, I think. Pack 1 of 7, nothing. Pack 1 of 7, nothing. So, on to my second pack. Oh, let's see what I get here. Pedro, oh yes! Get in there! Pedro! Oh yes! What a pack! Oh ho ho! That is just extraordinary. Pedro! That is just extraordinary. That is just extraordinary. That is just extraordinary. It's a Mora too, and a guy called Vexison. It isn't I look quite far apart, it's like a finger space. Need that. This kind of looks like Balotelli. Yeah, I always think that looks like Balotelli. Put that as my active strip. This isn't a sponsor. Pedro. 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 Ador. Pedro. 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 Must save it? Nah. What's up? Quickly. So let's go on to our 4-pack here. Halfway there. Alonso! Please win! Xabi Alonso! Oh no, it isn't. Oh, I was getting so excited there. Oh my gosh, that was just a big blow. Yeah. So yeah, try and hopefully like this video as much as you can. 3 packs remaining, obviously. So yeah. Watch my other videos. I've got one about Heskey, which you'll probably enjoy. I've got one that was like talking about that was talking about getting FIFA, which I've got now. I have Reading's best ever goal, I just took from match of the day. I have Wigan's best ever goal that I just took from match of the day. And I have Fulham's best ever goal that I took from match of the day. That's our other 5 videos, so this is my 6th video actually that I'm doing now. So I've got Pedro, oh yeah, I've got Pedro. I'm not going to make my stadium. Check out my stadium. So 3 more packs to go. Somebody good. I'm not gonna look this time. Who was it? Oh, I get Dyer and Cruz, what a pack! Oh yeah, and Ireland, oh yeah. See, whoa, that was a great pack. Pedro, Dyer and Cruz. Oh hi, probably my best player so far. Yeah. None of their consumables here. Gonna get a thing, thingy majiggy, whatever it's called, EA FC or something. I'm gonna get that thing that makes it to 75 consumables and of 75 consumables, not 50 consumables. I can't really say that. 50 consumables, whatever it is. Right here. So here goes. Oh, I think I found someone from my club. Oh, I found a Celtic player. Oh, it's Charlie Mulgrew. It's Charlie Mulgrew. Come on, Charlie. Big man. Big man. Big man. Big man. There goes the Mulgrew stuff. 1-2-1-2. He looks pretty good. I've got Lampard, did I tell you I got in a pack? So I've got him too, Lampard. So I think my next one's my next pack. Just can apply it. One more. Let's make it a lucky one. I didn't see that. Tony, not the best. Gareth Barry from I think the English team. Man City. I'm not doing that. Come on, so I said to my mum that I wouldn't buy another pack, so we can't do another one of these really till Christmas. See, I said that to my mum. I wouldn't be able to buy any packs till Christmas. So, great. And I just have to get contracts out to girls. Some random girls. Oh, true crap. Manager. Milan. Oh, that's my formation actually. It's very good. Anybody got it? 3, 5, 2. And then Milan badge. Yeah, sure. I think that's right there. That guy. So that's really it, I think, for today. Just a quick video just to show my pack opening, my first pack opening, my first video in FIFA. So bye guys.